Rabbling.
Kind of make ya whole brother.
Let me hear what the public think. Chat. Artist, what's new?
At the RABBLE Show, and that's if you know, cause that's the way I make way talk for you.
Rabble, welcome to the Rabble Show. Upon this platform we do things different, straight rabblings. And this is your host, NASH-I-I RABBLE DANGER. Right now we are going to interact with some sex workers. Did you know that in Jamaica there is approximately 19,000 of them? Some people call them prostitutes. But here we are going to go on rabbling. So we have a few on the phone line that we're going to interact with and ask a few questions. Make sure some money in the pocket. Rabble ladies. Me there I'ma get for understand say sex come in a package. What is all inclusive?
Hold on, you have two definitions to all inclusive. You have all inclusive where you get a BJ and sex, and you have all inclusive where you have anal, BJ and sex. So when you say
are two different all inclusive?
Because when somebody tell them come and they say, I'm all inclusive, you have to just ask what you mean.
Cool.
Because some of them never tell us, say, if I say, yeah, and you collect your money, when you go in there, they want to push their all over wherever you want, they want to, or whatever. So you have to just specify.
No, but if a guy come in the street and asks about all inclusive, you know if you ask him how you just know say everything matter about. Whether if you want to go, you don't want to go. You know if I'm about and say how I matter about. You don't know that in a street long time.
Hold on ladies, hold on. Me have a question. If a man requests anal sex, you don't think that's shaky?
I feel that way, because you're not supposed to mess with your bottom.
Oh. But wait, ladies, me hear some man all about oral sex.
The normal sex, rather. No man, me like the like the normally sex, you know, because you know why? You have to use a condom on your penis.
Which is right, safe sex. Ladies, wanna enjoy sex?
Yeah. Sometimes no.
We saying that. Me have a next question. Wanna have a man?
Yes. There was somebody have feelings.
With a drama, you know. So how much clients you can angle a night?
All 10, a good question. Depends.
We're the bartender, the girl already 15.
So yeah, go on, what you just say?
We said we're the bartender already and the girl 15 one night.
Ladies are so bad, 15 one night.
Sometimes you get all one, you can't get the next one. Depends on how you get the night. Because sometimes you get one, you can't go even for the second. Third one, we're going to come kill you.
So I wanna say, it all depends on the night.
Come all 5, come, they don't work nothing, you still come like you didn't sex. 6 come like you didn't, but you have one, everyone will come, you have to go home. But even if it come and we didn't sex, if it come to win, I'll get this money, and sex will still. But it's not have things that we are a praise sex. We not praise sex, we just doing with job. Just free money, we not look at husband or nothing, you understand? Because you know, say we don't have a boyfriend or whatever, you understand?
Yeah.
We not look at good sex, we have the business, I just money.
You understand? Wait, I have one question I want to be honest. You never find a man who beat up the thing madder than no Ozzy?
Sometimes then whip you still, you feel nice, you understand? Then whip you out, and really you look somebody, but you have to target things when you're right. Yeah? Sometimes they come with full force, and they might give you the money because they know where they come far.
Well, you say blood in them eye, all an hour long.
No, not so long, baby. Depends on the I tell you, for instance, we take, for instance, $2 for certain times. If you go over 20 minutes, you have to pay more.
So what kind of time frame you wanna work with? Eh?
We will do for them with the ice. We will go with you. It's for 10 minutes. Come remember, say, turn up. We can't go more than that.
Oh, so 112 is a room.
Patient with you. Most by your half hour, but none of us don't go for man.
For the car, you get 15 minutes to stay in the room.
So you get a bit more time in the room.
We say, look here, if you go use the room, you can't stay long in that room what we're gonna use. If you're going to a hotel, you're gonna pay for the time. So you if you want to stay till tomorrow morning, you're paying for the time. You can't stay because when you come, we're gonna explain to you, you know. Because where we're at now, you cannot stay over 15 minutes because everybody have to use that room.
And you have to have your customer.
And if you're gonna stand up, you couldn't stand up with it half an hour, make me bend me back. No.
Cool, okay.
Come on, come to me, stay long, you must be paying long money. Yeah, more. It's longer is more money, say better you do your best and leave.
But that job, I know.
When they come, still, you know, like when you come, we explain, we just,
yeah.
But the man that used to us, they know, they just come with their money and say, come, we are going. And just touch you, I just call you. They know, right.
Money
But when you come, we tell you what's up, guys. You don't go come with the money, you go, and that causes a problem.
Good.
Because you say, me pay you, you know. But you never pay me for that the long time.
That's not you pay me, we stay long. Till tomorrow morning. So about a man would want to experience me 2 years so long, you have to make him go. Lose that client because you stay long, so you have to give me more money.
Understand. Longer you stay, the more money.
Yeah.
Oh, alright, so we at the ladies. We have to laugh before we ask still. A woman ever approach you yet and say she want buy?
Yeah. And the woman have to pay more money.
Why?
Because she get different things from the man. Like a more work.
Of course, one night I stand up and a man come and said,
wow.
My girl, me not lie, you look good enough. My woman, they love you, have it tonight. And I said, no, me alright, go on where you go. And he say, I waste time.
I say, look, me don't buy nothing too tough for me. When they stop and they say anything, because sometimes the woman are really upfront.
Right.
You understand? So when they say
go with him,
and talk, me say, me never really say,
yeah, me do it, me go with them.
So we the ladies, since husband I bring them wife, another threesome too.
Yes, our Friday gone. Yes, I like threesome. Yes, and I like ladies.
Bad pitney.
Yeah.
So what the freakiest thing a man ever pay on for do?
Me there on the street already, me and one other girl.
Yeah.
And one man, big man, come. I meet him at the bridge. And him come and himself, he could have pass with feces in his mouth.
So you do that, mama?
Me did further, my other girlfriend did it before. Do it first and then me go after and it'll pay with a good money.
Good money, like how much money?
Like you need to pay with like $5,000 a piece.
So $10,000 that overall. So him eat it.
He him swallow.
and him say that never enough.
Lord,
So I never see back the man again with the man see him again. Never but him go one other girl and one girl could do the pan him and him push PayPal in her mouth.
No offense, but he's a madman that.
And me find man again when me have to beat them for them sex.
Wait there. But I say you have to beat man.
One piece of rubber, like tire rubber.
Why you beat him?
See me now I'm back. And me could do it while my friend do it. And then after I say me want to beat him and me beat him and then him come.
So ladies, why wanna feel some males buy sex?
Most of them when they go home, like them say they live with their woman. And when we give them certain sex, they say them never go on the floor, they never go on the top, they never go back from away. Sometimes we have power edge,
never sex them like that.
Sometimes we have power edge, or cliff, or rock. So I'll on the edge or cliff, they want carry, they want exposure, they want hold for something. They want you drive and yes, I see that way because most of the wives, they say most of the wives don't do oral sex.
I play with them penis, them say them wife never do that to them.
So basically you said them get a road where them can't get a yard.
Because most time they come to us, they talk to us before they leave to go home.
So ladies, tell the Rabblings what type of workshop set up for sex workers.
They have they have a workshop that they invite us, like they used to do it every month, where they go and they teach us about sex, how to put on condoms. We're valuable. We go to many meetings, hotels, so they teach us a lot about it, and they still test us for pap smear, HIV, everything. We get everything free of cost.
Nice, I like that, and it sounds like you not keep on yourself safe.
You know that part because they say it's us. giving them the virus. So why they want to take off the condom and we on the road with so much man?
For real, that makes sense. So before we go, what is your final take, ladies?
Just one point I would like, I would say, I like more mothers to encourage their children, because really and truly I have a 17-year-old son that I have to definitely buy condoms for him, because he never used to use it, and me, if I wasn't talking about sex to him, I feel like he would catch AIDS because he sex a lot.
Yeah, man, I want the mothers them out there listeners and take care of them child and protect them.
Yeah.
Criticism towards us because we are doing our job, and so one day we have to leave. You understand? But we just make use of it now.
Two last statements.
Yeah.
The man them will come out there and I watch we, and when I for them time, them like them want teeth, want to know for stop because we have a youth them for take care of. So, and to the mothers them, ladies them out there do it, take care of the youth, put on the money wisely.
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.